you how for months the Congress has gone hammer and tongs at the Election Commission and the BJP, pushing its vote chori charge from Bihar to the parliament. And after Rahul Gandhi's hydrogen bomb failed to detonate in Bihar, their fakery has been called out by their own alliance partner in Jammu and Kashmir. Well, National Conference MP Chaudhry Mohammad Ramzan has publicly rubbished the vote chori narrative. In fact, calling the Jammu and Kashmir elections the fairest polls of 2024. Well, a direct contradiction of the Congress's national campaign. Listen in to how Congress gets fact-checked by its own alliance partner.
ने कहा कि इलेक्शन निष्पक्ष के बारे में उन्होंने बात की। मैं अपने स्टेट की बात करूंगा, मैं ज्यादा नहीं दूर जाऊंगा। 2024 अक्टूबर में वहां पर इलेक्शन हुए, मोस्ट फेयर इलेक्शन हो गए और उस इलेक्शन के नतीजे में वहां पर एक सरकार वजूद में आई, हेडेड बाय नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस उमर अब्दुल्ला, और उसके साथ जो सहयोगी हैं वो कांग्रेस के लोग हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारे और भी लोग हैं, और करीबन नियरली 2/3 मेजॉरिटी इस सरकार ने वहां पर मेंबरों की आई है।
Well, of course, BJP now has hit out at the Congress party, saying that another alliance partner now has called out Congress's fakery over vote chori narrative. In fact, now the Congress, remember, had countered, saying that they have all the facts with them and that is the truth. In fact, listen in to this political bickering.
Rahul Gandhi and his vote chori narrative has got a fact check by none other than his own alliance partner, NC, National Conference. National Conference MP got up in Rajya Sabha and slammed the opposition, particularly Congress, saying that how can you say elections were not free and fair? In Jammu Kashmir, elections were held and the NC Congress alliance won 2/3 majority. This is not the first time that an alliance partner has rejected Rahul Gandhi's claims. We have seen time and again that alliance partner after alliance partner has said that it was because of Rahul and Congress that they lost the Bihar elections.
Well, let me go across to Niyamika. Niyamika, this is highly embarrassing at a time when the Congress party is literally holding the parliament to ransom as well with some of its alliance partners, to have another alliance partner coming out and say that the elections were free and fair.
Well, yes, indeed, it is embarrassing for the Congress party, the manner in which its own alliance partner, National Conference, is openly giving this kind of a statement within the House, within the Parliament, that there is vote chori is not an issue because the National Conference has also won elections in Jammu and Kashmir. Now it is upon the Congress party whether it is going to take everyone into confidence, whether the India bloc partners are also going to support Congress or not, because when this question was being raised to the Congress party's MPs, other MPs, then they have stated that whatever Rahul Gandhi has claimed in the press conference, that is being done with all the facts, and now it is upon the responsibility, or it is the responsibility of Election Commission of India to address all these questions, to all these concerns which are being raised by Rahul Gandhi, as they must give answer to all these questions which are being raised. However, JB Mathur, who is the Rajya Sabha MP of the Congress party, was also being present there when the National Conference member of Parliament had made this kind of a statement. She had stated that there are some regions where vote chori is not an issue, but in the other places where Rahul Gandhi has claimed, that is being done with all the facts and figures, and now it is upon the government of India to give a reply on this, as this is basically a concern for the democracy as well.
Well, in fact, Niyamika, do stay on with us. Of course, the BJP has another issue on a silver platter for them. Let's tell you about another reaction which is coming in. This time around, it is from Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP. This is the post that he has put out. I'm going to be reading it aloud. It says, even opposition members reject Rahul Gandhi's fake vote chori claims. No one takes Rahul Gandhi seriously. So Pradeep Bhandari has made it categorically about Rahul Gandhi, saying it's not just about Congress's charge of vote chori, it is Rahul Gandhi's charge of vote chori that is being rejected by his own alliance partners. Remember, for the BJP, it has been a very personal attack that we have seen on Rahul Gandhi, considering he's the one who would front the attack of vote chori. Meanwhile, let's tell you what JDU has to say about this.
बिहार में इतना बड़ा एक्सरसाइज एक महीने में हो। चुनाव से पहले विपक्ष के लोग, खास करके प्रतिपक्ष के लोकसभा के नेता बिहार में रोड से यात्रा की एसआईआर के खिलाफ। तो बिहार के जनता ने एसआईआर के मुद्दे पे वर्डिक्ट दे दिया, रिजल्ट सामने में है। अब भी तो आंख खुलना चाहिए। ये किस मुद्दा पर जाकर के बिहार के जनता के लिए कोई मुद्दा ही नहीं था। इस मुद्दा के लिए जो तो देख रहा था कि हमारा नाम तो है ही, क्यों घूम रहे हैं यहाँ।
Well, let me go across to Tom Vadakkan of the BJP, who's joining us. Tom Vadakkan ji, how would you like to respond? Now you have NC coming out and saying Jammu and Kashmir polls were very free, very fair. Do you think that's going to blunt Congress and Rahul Gandhi's charge in the parliament as well?
Congress party will run this narrative. This is the only oxygen that they have and they can breathe. They will continue this business of vote chori, but what they don't understand is the people have decided. The Supreme Court has intervened in this matter.
I'm very sorry to have interrupted you, Tom Vadakkan ji, but Kiran Rijiju, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, is speaking in the Lok Sabha. Let's listen in.
किया हुआ है और वो आने वाले भी है। हम बात करके कोई रास्ता हम निकल करके सबका बात हम सुनेंगे, आपका भी बात हम सुनेंगे, सरकार का भी आप सुनना है। लेकिन यहाँ नारेबाजी लगा करके जो आप लोगों ने दृश्य पेशकश किया है, ये ठीक नहीं है। इसलिए मैं आपसे अनुरोध करता हूँ कि आप संसद का गरिमा को बनाए रखें और चर्चा के लिए हम लोग तैयार हो जाइए।
Members, I request all you to go and sit on the respective chairs. Please go back to your seats. The House stands adjourned to meet again at 2 p.m.
Lok Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. amidst repeated chants coming in from the opposition over vote chori, over SIR. You even had the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju coming out. Repeatedly, he has been making an appeal that it is about the garima of the Sansad. It is about the dignity of the House. Do not disrupt. Let's discuss. Let's debate. Something that even JP Nadda had said earlier in the day, that let's sit down and decide. We are not opposed to a discussion on SIR, something that the centre has been saying again and again. We are not opposed to a discussion in SIR. We are ready to have a discussion. But when? Let us decide. Well, on your screens, you can also see the kind of protests which were held by the opposition parties at the Makar Dwar, which is right outside the parliament. This happened before the parliament reconvened for the day. You can see the topmost alliance partners of the Congress party, of the INDIA, all of them saying, stop SIR, stop vote chori. Rahul Gandhi was, of course, there as well, along with the other Gandhis. So those were the posters which were put out against SIR and against the Election Commission. Let me go across to Kritika, who's joining us. Kritika, it's unfortunate. Right after the Prime Minister yesterday saying that it's important that we debate, we don't disrupt, let's not have all this drama. But again, it seems a second day is headed towards a washout if these adjournments continue.
Well, yes, in fact, Neeti over Nara and delivery over drama was the key takeaway from the Prime Minister. But even that, remember, the opposition parties had termed as dramatic in the first instance.
Kritika, there seems to be a bit of a problem there with your audio. We'll try and get that fixed. Meanwhile, this is the story that we've been getting for you, two stories that we've been getting for you is, on one hand, you have at the parliament protests being carried out against the Election Commission, against the SIR, saying that there has been vote chori by the Election Commission. On the other hand, you have Congress's own alliance partner in Jammu and Kashmir saying the elections held were free and fair. Let me go across to Pragya. Pragya, another day of disruptions. Will there be any end to this deadlock? Will this continue for the next 3 weeks as well?
Well, what we are seeing is a middle path that also government is trying to reach out to opposition, and in fact there was a meeting with the speaker of all the floor leaders and they put their demand in front of the speaker. Mr. Rijiju was also present in that meeting, and in fact just now in Lok Sabha he has said that opposition parties are going to meet him again, and then the government has also scheduled an urgent business advisory committee at 3 o'clock to see the modalities of this particular debate, because when you say SIR debate, that also means that you are commenting on election commission, and government believes that election commission doesn't come under its purview. So the modalities needs to be worked out with the opposition parties, and in fact it looks like that they are reaching a ground where both of them can come to the table and discuss in what form this debate can take place. Electoral reforms, obviously, everyone is okay with that. If you want to go into the history and also the future of election commission and what more can be done with the election commission, government is okay with that. But we will look at the meeting that these opposition leaders will have with Mr. Rijiju, and also what is being discussed in BAC, because Speaker will also be in charge of the BAC, and Speaker will ultimately decide whether the opposition parties are going to relent on their constant attack on election commission, and where there can be a middle ground to ensure that there is a debate that on SIR, on electoral reforms. So, demand of the opposition parties can be met also.
Well, in fact, Pragya, do stay on with us. More breaking news which is coming in. The showdown over the special